Special Judge of CBI and NIA Chandmari in Guwahati has passed an order granting absolute bail today to 3 accused in weapon snatching case registered by CBI Kolkata. The 3 accused had been granted interim pre-arrest bail on December 17, 2024 in connection with the incident where weapon was allegedly snatched by a public mob from MPTC at Pangai and Naransena in Moirang. The next day on December 18th, CGM Kamrup Guwahati cut off the order following the written objection filed by CBI citing reasons for their involvement in 2 cases of weapon snatching. However, following the hearing on January 7th, where both parties presented their arguments, the special judge decided to make the interim bail absolute. It may be mentioned that the 3 village volunteers, Johnson, Romojid and Kajet, were arrested by CBI in connection with case initiated against Anand, Prem and others.